Okay. Hey, keep your phones now. Keep your phones now. Okay. Rose term. Okay. Hey, get your notebooks. So today what we're going to study is we're going to compare and arrange fractions. So just like when we studied integers, we're going to also compare fractions. And in comparing fractions, we use these three symbols. What is the symbol? What is the symbol? Huh? What is the symbol? Makwa. In English? In English, what is this in English? That is what you call the more than symbol. More than or the greater than symbol. And this one is the next one, less than. And the last one, this one, the equal symbol. Okay, so we have the greater than symbol, the less than symbol, and the equal symbol. So we use the greater than symbol when the first number that we are comparing is greater than the second one, okay? And less than is when the second number is greater than the first symbol. So we use the less than symbol. And we all know that if it's equal, then they have the same value. Okay, so remember these three symbols because these are the only three symbols we use to compare fractions or compare things, okay? Anyway, I just want you to remember this, though I know that you already copied this before. So, let's proceed. So, in comparing fractions, there are two ways. But I am going to teach you the easiest way to compare fraction. And that is by cross multiplication. Okay? What is cross multiplication? So cross multiplication is, for example, we are going to compare A over B to C over D. So we are comparing two fractions, right? So cross multiplication is you are going to multiply the numerator of the first fraction and the denominator of the second fraction. Again, this is multiplication. And you're going to multiply the numerator of the second fraction to the denominator of the first fraction. Okay, again, cross multiplication. As you can see, it's making a cross. Okay, so let me give you an example. So for example, we have 4 over 5 and 3 over 7. What symbol are we going to use? Is it less than, greater than, or equal? So by cross multiplication, we can determine which one. So again, cross multiplication, multiply the numerator of the first fraction to the denominator of the second fraction. What is 4 times 7? Great. Miss. Hey. Miss. Miss. Hey. Stand up. Yes. What is 4 times 7? What is 4 times 7? I'm asking you, not him. Huh? How about 3 times 5? 3 times 5. Hey, I'm asking you, don't look at your friend. Huh? 15. Now, as you can see, we have 28 and 15. Which is bigger, 28 or 15? Which is bigger, 28 or 15? So what do you think? What symbol are we going to use? Is it less than, greater than, or equal? Wait, I'm asking her, okay? What's the answer? Okay, it's the more than symbol. Sit down. Listen, okay? Hey, listen. So, we're going to use the more than symbol. Since when we cross multiply, the first number is greater the first fraction. Okay? So we can say that 4 over 5 is more than 3 over 7. How about this one? What is this fraction? What is this? How do you read this? Can you please read this? 6. Read, ANCAP. Read. 6. Hey, everyone, read. How about the next fraction, this one? Okay, so what symbol are we going to use if we compare those two fractions? Is it more than, less than, or equal? Why more than? Because when we cross multiply 6 times 9, that is 54. And 4 times 7, that is 28. And 54 is bigger than 28, so we are going to use the greater than symbol. Okay? So that's how you're going to do it. Okay, how about this one? What symbol? So 5 times 4 is 20. 3 times 6 is 18. So what symbol? The more than symbol. Okay, now I'm going to call people. Miss, what are we going to use? Is it more than, less than, or equal? Stand up. What's the answer? Is it more than, less than, or equal? What's the answer? Huh? What's the answer? Tapalay ka. What is 3 times 9? Sam kun kao kap 3 times 9. Huh? 3 times 9 is 27. How about 4 times 7? Okay. Oh, this is 28, right? Now, which is bigger, 28 or 27? Since 28 is bigger, what are we going to use? More than, less than, or equal? Okay, the answer is less than. Okay. Next. Mister, what's the answer? Stand up. We have 4 over 9 and 3 over 8. What are we going to use? More than, less than, or equal? What's the answer? What's the answer? Oh, huh? Answer is more than. Is it more than? The answer is more than. Okay. Because 4 times 8 is 32. 3 times 9 is 27. Miss, with the glasses. How about this one? 2, 2 over 5 and 4 over 7. What are we going to use? What symbol? The answer is? Are you sure? Sure. The answer is less than. Okay. Next. Miss. May chai kap? Chai. Yes. We have 3 over 8 and 1 over 6. That is? Okay, very good. We have the more than symbol. So again, it's cross multiplication. Okay, 3 times 6, 18. 1 times 8, 8. Okay. That's why it is called cross multiplication. Next, 3 over 5 and 2 over 3. Mister. Set up. Are you sure? Why less than? Why less than? Why? Okay. Okay, very good. Okay. So 3 times 3 is 9. And the second one is 2 times 5, which is 10. And 9 is smaller than 10. Then we're going to use the less than symbol. Last. Mister. Yeah. We have 7 over 8 and 5 over 10. What are we going to use? Answer is? Okay, the answer is more than 8. Because that is 7 times 7 is 49, 5 times 4 is, 5 times 8 is 40. You understand? Easy, right? Okay, so that's how you're going to compare fraction. Next, just remember the symbol, okay? Now, let's arrange integers in order. We studied this before, right? Arranging not integer, sorry, it's fraction. So, just like when we were arranging integers, we are going to arrange fraction. And there are 2 ways to arrange fractions. What are those? We studied this before. What are the 2 ways to arrange? What do you call the arrangement if it's from highest to lowest? Or highest number to the smallest number? What do you call? What's the vocabulary? Painoy. Highest to lowest. How do you call it? Descending. Okay? And lowest to highest, that is ascending. Okay? So again, remember, there are 2 ways to arrange the integers. So we have the ascending order and the descending order. Ascending, descending. Ascending is from lowest to biggest, or the highest number to the smallest number to the highest number, and descending is biggest to smallest. Now again, ascending is also called, you can also say, increasing. It's hard to write. Increasing. Oh, yuck. Never mind. Ascending, okay? And descending. This is smallest to biggest. Noi pai mak. Okay? Smallest to biggest. And descending is biggest to smallest. Mak pai noi. Anyway, so since we're dealing with fractions, it is kind of harder. So let's start. You're copying it, right? Pep. You finished copying? Oh, you copy it. Jot cap. Copy it. Okay? No? 1 minute to finish it. Okay. Yeah. Just remember this and then copy. Remember the words. You finish there? Okay, next. So let us try to answer this one. We're going to arrange the fraction in ascending. Again, what is ascending? Ascending. What is ascending? Just copy it. What is ascending? Smallest to biggest. Now, we're going to arrange these given fractions in ascending order. So we have 3 over 4, 4 over 6, 5 over 8, and 7 over 12. So, it's kind of different in integers, okay, since we're dealing fractions. So, the first thing that you need to do is to find common denominator. And it says here that the common denominator is 24. Wow, I mean, again, so if we look at this, these are the denominators, right? Denominator. Remember, the one below the fraction bar is the denominator. So first is to find the common denominator. So we have here 4, 6, 8, and 12, right? Now, what are the multiples of 4? So we have 4, 8, 12, 16, right? 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 3, 12. Okay? So just write the multiples of 4. The multiples of 6. How about 6? We have 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, okay? How about 8? We have 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. And 12 is, we have 12, 24, 36, 48. You understand this? Now, why common denominator? Actually, it should be least common denominator. Now, what is the number that they are the same? Okay, that they have common, that they are in common. They have in common. So 24, 24, 24, 24. This is what you call the least common denominator. Okay? Again, look at the given denominator. Okay? So we have here, remember, 4, 6, 8, 12. The denominators of the given fraction get the LCD. Now that we have the common denominator, which is 24, make all, okay, we're going to turn all of this given fractions, okay, we're going to get the equivalent fraction in which the denominator is 24. Remember equivalent fraction? Okay. So, if we have 3 over 4 and we want the denominator which is 24, what is the numerator? The answer is 24 divide 4, 6, right? So, ani times 6 over 6. 6 times 4, 24. 3 times 6, 18. Okay. So, we will have here denominator which is 24, convert it to the equivalent fractions of the given fractions. Okay? In which the denominator should be the same. Hey, what are you doing there? Miss, you sit here. Come here. Hello? Do you understand? So again, first is to write the denominators and find the LCD. Okay? That they are in common. Since the number that they are common, the smallest number is 24. So we're going to make the denominators of the given fraction. Find the equivalent fractions of the given fraction, which the denominator should be 24, since that is the LCD. Okay? And so, now that they have the same denominator, we can now arrange it in ascending. Again, ascending is smallest to the biggest number. And that's, which is the smallest? This one, right? 14 over 24, right? Since the smallest number is 14. So meaning, if we arrange that, that would be 7 over 12. Since 14 over 24 is 7 over 12. Next is 15 over 24, which is 5 over 8. Next is 4 over 6, which is 16 over 24. And we have 3 over 4, which is the last one. So this is in ascending order. Okay? Again, I only asked you earlier, this one, again, I only ask you to arrange this fraction. Okay? So again, we did this following steps. And now this will be the answer. Do you understand? Okay, let's have one more. Okay. Oh, sorry. I want you to copy the example. No need to copy for this, okay? But I want you to copy the example. Copy the example. Finish? Hey, what are you doing there? What did I tell you to do? No need to copy everything. Copy the example. Only the example. Ani, only this example, okay? No need for that. Ani, ani my joy. Ani only this one. Okay? Okay. Next. Huh? Finish, right? Again, this is only in ascending, okay? Now let's have another example. Ow. Okay, let us have this numbers. Okay, we have here 3 over 4, 4 over 3, 1 over 2, and 5 over 6. Okay, what is the least common denominator? Can you tell me? So the denominators are 4, 3, 2, and 6. Okay. So we copy the denominator. So let us try to find the multiples of 4. What are the multiples of 4? We have here 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, right? And so on. How about 3? We have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, and so on. How about 2? We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and so on. And 6, we have 6, 12, 18, 24, and so on. Now, what is the number that they are the same? The smallest number that they are the same? 12. So meaning, the least common denominator of this given fraction is 12. Meaning we are going to make all of this fraction, okay? We're going to get the equivalent fraction in which the denominator is 12. So, if we have 3 over 4 here, and we want the equivalent fraction with the with the denominator 12, what would be the numerator? What is the numerator? So 12 divided 4 is 3, right? So this times 3 over 3, 9. How about this one? Of 12 divided 3, 4. So this is times 4 over 4. That is 16. 12 divided 2, 6. So this is times 6 over 6. That is 6. And 5 over 6, 12 divided 6, 2. So that is 2 over 2. So meaning this is 10. Okay, now let's arrange this in descending order. Descending. So what would be the arrangement? Can you tell me? Descending. What's the first number? Huh? What is descending again? Descending is biggest to smallest. Magpie Noy. So, the descending order is, the first number is 16 over 12, which is 4 over 3. Oh, sorry. 4 over 3. How about the next one? Okay, the next one is 10 over 12, which is 5 over 6. Then, okay, 9 over 12, which is 3 over 4. And the last one? Huh? Okay, 6 over 12 or 1 over 2. So remember, in arranging integers in order, first is to find the least common denominator, then get the equivalent fractions of the given fractions, and then arrange it depending on the order that was given. Okay? Do you understand? Okay, good. Can you arrange this in descending order? Now, what is 1 and 1 over 8 in fraction? 18 times 1, 18 plus 1, 19. So we will have here 19 over 18. Okay, now arrange this in descending order. Do it. Answer it on your notebook. Try. What is the LCD? What is the LCD? What should be the denominator? Huh? What is the LCD? What is the What should be the denominator? 3, 6, 18, and 9. What's the LCD, least common denominator? Okay, again, this one, the LCD is 24. Any LCD, least common denominator. How about this one? The LCD is 18. Okay, now do it. The common denominator is 18. Okay, who wants to finish? Who can tell me the answer? Anyone from the class? Descending from the biggest number to the smallest number. So what should be the first number in order? Okay, so first, okay, let's convert this to fraction. Okay. So we will have the equivalent fractions with the denominators 18. Okay. Now, if we're going to arrange this in descending, what should be the first fraction? That is descending, highest to smallest. So that is 19 over 18, which is 1 and 1 over 18. What's next? What's next? 1 over 3. Then 2 over 9. And then 1 over 6. So this will be the order of the given fractions. Understand? Okay. I will give you 5 minutes to finish this. Only ascending. 5 minutes. Yes. 5 minutes. Finish? Okay, only A and B song. A and B. Ano yung may... Because you only have 3 minutes left. 2 minutes. It's only letter A and letter B, okay? No need to do everything. A and B only. Since we don't have much time. Left. Hey, you people, finish there? What are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? I said answer. Copy and answer. Finish? Okay, let's answer it. We don't have many time. Okay, now. Okay, so what's the LCD of number 1? So we have the denominators 4, 2, 4, 8, and 8. What's the LCD? 8. So meaning, we're going to make here, okay, the denominators 8. So what is 3 over 4? Equivalent fraction of 3 over 4 with the denominator 8, that is 6 over 8, okay? 8 divide 4 is 2 times 3, this is 6. How about this one? 8 divided by 2, 4 times 1, 4, okay? 8 divided by 4, 2 times 1, 2. 8 divided by 8, 1 times 3, 3. 8 divided by 8, 1 times 4, 4. Now, we can just arrange this, okay? The answer. What's the answer? Ascending, smallest to highest. Noi pai ma. So, we have here 2 over 4, which is 1 over 4. What's the next one? 3 over 8. The next one? Okay, you can either, this one, right? 1 over 2 and 4 over 8. Or you can switch this one, okay? And 6 over 8. Again, you can also write this one. Okay? Since these two are equal. Okay? So either this one or this one. Next, we have here 2 over 5, 6 over 10, 1 over 2, 2 over 2, and 3 over 5. So we have 5, 10, 2, 2, 5. What's the LCD? 10. So meaning that we are going to make the denominator of the given fractions equal to 10. So let's find the equivalent fraction. 10 divided by 5? 2 times 2, 4. 10 divided by 10 is 10. Divide 6 is 6. Sorry, that's times. 10 divided by 2 is 5 times 1, 5. 10 divided by 2, 5 times 2, 10. 10 divided by 5, 2 times 3, 6. Okay? Again, ascending highest to lowest. What's the first number? 10 over 10, which is 2 over 2. What's the next number? 6 over... sorry. Thought. Smallest to highest. So, the first one is 4 over 10, which is 2 over 5. Next, 5 over 10, which is 1 over 2. What's next? 6 over 10, and 3 over 5, and 2 over 2. Now, these two can switch, okay, sa lap die, since they are equal. Okay? Uncheck for this. And since it's already time's up, I'll just get the score next time. Did you understand? Okay, stand up, everyone. Pep, stand up. Goodbye.